Morning. On the occasion of International Nurses Day 2020, which happens to be on 12th of May, I wish you all a happy Nurses Day. Unlike army, we don't fight on war. But in today's era of corona pandemic, the job of healthcare workers is no less than a war. Nurses form a very vital part of this team, and hence, as a tribute to their work, their job, the risks which they take, and the sacrifices which they make, I wish to say a few lines. We know you as sisters, but you care like a mother. To all the sick patients, day and night you cater, with only one hope that he gets better. Patients finally do get better, and it's only because you all bother. When sickness is the matter, its evil hands you always shatter. The sick feels he has been cured by the doctor's care, but it's the sister who has the equal share, which makes the patient dance and dare. Medicine is a noble work, and hence we don't expect any perk. Our job is something which we shall never jerk, and our only kick, our addiction, is our noble work. As the war on corona gets tighter, we will win only because we have you all, nurses, as fighter. Thank you very much.
Hello dear sisters of Apollo Hospital Nasik. Wish you all a very happy Nurses Day. Nurses are the backbone of healthcare delivery system. In addition to providing medicines, your care and warmth helps patient heal faster. In these testing times of pandemic also, you are doing your work with great sincerity and dedication. We all are proud of you. Please do take care of yourself, use adequate safety measures, and continue doing your work with the same enthusiasm and sincerity. Again, wishing you all a very happy Nurses Day. Thank you.
12th May is celebrated as World Nursing Day on the birthday of Florence Nightingale. The year 2020 is also being celebrated all the world over as the year of the nurses and the midwives. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the nurses of Apollo hospitals. If doctors are the commanders of the healthcare task force, the sisters are the brave foot soldiers fighting at the forefront, unflinchingly facing the bullets. It is thanks to them that our patients recover and go home to their happy families. They are the ones who put a smile on their faces. They are the true angels of mercy. Thank you all sisters once again and wishing you a very happy nursing day.
Namaste. Congratulations to all my nursing staff on this International Nurses Day. I acknowledge all your tireless and sincere work in this pandemic of COVID-19. We as a team will work hard and will surely be victorious against this COVID pandemic. Thanks.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Amita and this is my son
Anay Amita Onkar Tipre.
And we wish you a very happy nursing day to all. Anay, do you know how nurses help us?
Yes mom, they take care of patients with compassion and empathy.
Yes Anay, and do you know in this COVID situation, they are one of the frontline workers who are treating and helping the patients. Salute to their dedication and hardship. Stay safe and stay healthy. Now Anay will sing a beautiful song for all of you.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Hi, Dr. Prakash Ugule. First of all, wishes you a happy Nurses Day. You are the backbone of the healthcare system. Without your support, doctors can't do the duty of saving the patients. I salute you for your dedication and affection towards your work. You bring the smile over the faces of the patients. You give courage to the patient to fight against these illnesses. Keep the good work going on. Take the precautions and social distancing as far as possible to fight against the corona. Wishing you a good health. God bless you. Thank you.
I salute to the hard work and dedication put forward by the nursing staff of Apollo Hospital against the fight against coronavirus. Best of luck, and we will win the fight against coronavirus. All the best.
Hello, all my nurses. A nurse is like a mother for the sick. Only a mother can take maximum care without expecting anything in return. Hardly any professional can match your never ending dedication and compassion for work. I thank you all for being the backbone of our hospital in these testing times of pandemic. Thank you for being the heart of our hospital. I express my gratitude and wish a very happy Nurses Day to you all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good evening all. Today I take this opportunity to wish all the Florence Nightingales of Apollo Hospital a very happy Nurses Day. In this difficult situation, you are really working hard and touching lives of patients in every aspect. You are real backbone and torch bearers of Apollo Hospital. In this difficult scenario, you have been working with selflessness, sincerity and utmost care. Once again, I wish you a happy Nurses Day.
My good wishes to all of you on Nurses Day. As surgeons, we are always in very close association with the nursing staff, especially in the theatre as well as the intensive care unit. I would in fact go beyond and say they are the backbone of our hospital. But in these testing times, when I come to the hospital, I see you all in your special suits, and I compare you with the brave soldiers fighting at the war front for our country. Hats off to you. I wish you all once again, and may God bless you and your family always. Thank you.
Namaste. Happy Nursing Day. Your sincerity and passion toward patient healthcare is appreciated every day. Because of you, we live in happier and healthier world. You are the pillar of healthcare system. This is just a moment to recognize you and your hard work. Thank you from our bottom of the heart. Happy Nursing Day to all. Thank you. Namaste.
Hello, we are celebrating International Nurses Day. We know nurses are the backbone of healthcare system. They are very important in the hospital. They are taking the patient care 24/7 continuously without taking any pause. I am a nephrologist, just like nephrons in the kidneys which work silently and continuously 24/7. Nurses are similarly, they are working continuously, effortlessly. Today we are facing the COVID-19 pandemic, which is worse for a country like India. Still, in my hospital, no nurse, not a single nurse said no to duty in the COVID-19 area, and that's the great part of the nurses. Similarly, in our patient care activity of the kidney transplant, many of my transplant patients said the best part of the Apollo Hospital is their nurses. And I wish on this Nursing Day safety and better health to all the nurses in the hospital. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी डॉक्टर संजय वेखंडे, न्यूरोसर्जन. असं म्हणतात, वेन यू सेव्ह ए लाईफ यू आर ए हिरो, वेन यू सेव्ह 100 ऑफ लाईव्स देन यू आर ए नर्स. आज नर्सिंग डे, या नर्सिंग डेच्या मी सर्व नर्सेसना शुभेच्छा देतो. आपल्याला सर्वांना माहितीच आहे की कोरोनाचं संक्रमण साऱ्या जगामध्ये चालू आहे आणि या पेशंटची सेवा करणं म्हणजे हा यक्ष प्रश्न असतो. पण आपल्याकडे असणाऱ्या नर्सेस या पेशंटची सेवा अहोरात्र करत असतात. त्यांना हेही माहीत आहे की अशा पेशंटची सेवा करताना त्यांना सुद्धा संक्रमण होऊ शकतं आणि जीवाला धोका सुद्धा उद्भवू शकतो. पण याच कोणत्याच गोष्टीची तमा न बाळगता ती या पेशंटची सेवा करतात आणि करत आहेत. त्यामुळे यांना कोरोना योद्धा म्हणायला काहीच हरकत नाही. परत एकदा मी या सर्व नर्सेसना नर्सिंग दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा देतो.
Happy Nursing Day to all Apollo nurses. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sudhir Suryakant Shetkar, cardiologist at Apollo Hospitals, Nashik. Each year on 12th of May, which is the birth anniversary of founder of modern nursing, Florence Nightingale, we celebrate the International Nurses Day. Nurses are our frontline soldiers for our war against all diseases and various illnesses. Without them and their support, we can never imagine any kind of healthcare scenario to ever exist. A very happy International Nurses Day to all our nurses, and thank for your wholehearted, impartial contributions to the society. Thank you.
I take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Nurses Day. You are touching lives of our patients with your tender loving care, and you are the backbone of our hospital. I cannot imagine our hospital without you all. Even in this difficult situation, you all are rock solid and have been rendering your services with utmost dedication and sincerity. My salute to you all, and thank you all so much. Stay safe and take all precautions.